I'm Keith White. Most people know me in the community as the loud dude running around yelling and screaming. I got into paintball, man. My first time playing paintball was I was 12 years old. I was actually on a boys retreat with my church, and we were out playing some rec ball. Yeah, we were out playing some rec ball out in the woods, man. And we had this guy. His name was Nathan, and he was our guy for the weekend,
Where
our
was this?
mentor.
Where was this?
This was in Obetz out in Ohio. It's not open anymore. They actually sold the land because there was a bald eagle nest on the property. So they had to get, stuff like that. But
Snap. Okay.
yeah, so I got into it back then. But as far as the X-ball side of things, this is my 10th year playing.
Okay.
So I've been around for a minute now.